welcome. This is Cara, and today is the day we draw for the winners of the the Halloween Fall Dollar Tree Challenge. I'm super excited. I was looking through the Facebook page and the YouTube channel or YouTube, and I found lots of participants, so I really want to thank you. It's really fun to see what everyone does with their Dollar Tree finds and how they made their journal and covers and all that good stuff. I have made a playlist of the journals and flip-throughs that I could find, and I will link that in the description below. So if you haven't seen the other Dollar Tree journal entries, you can go check out that playlist. Also, I'm gonna go to a clip where I've done the spinny thing to see who the winners are. And before I do that, the first winner is going to receive this journal plus a free kit of their choice from my Etsy shop. And then the second winner will receive this journal and a free kit from my Etsy shop. All right, this was so much fun. If this is something you would be interested in doing again, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, before I do that, after I spin and show you who the video is, I'm going to have a few pictures of the entries that were posted on the Facebook page. I couldn't really grab pictures of YouTube videos, so it's mostly some pictures at the end of other entries. All right, I hope you have a great day. Stay tuned to see who the winner is. All right, we're gonna see who the first winner is. Congratulations! Project 39 mini albums. Congrats! Okay, let's see who the second winner is. Lindy Franklin Byers, congratulations! The winners, please contact me via email or Facebook, and I'll need your address so I can send off your prize. Congratulations again. Bye-bye.